Hey guys, happy Vlogmas guys. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. So if you want to see what I am going to be unboxing, stay tuned guys. Happy Vlogmas. Okay guys, so the first package came from Vummy Vum Vum, the voice that matters. If you don't know who she is, I will link her channel up under this video. Go say hi to her and check her channel out and tell her that Boss Lady sent you. She told me she had something for me a while back, and I just so happened to go check my mailbox. As now I'm on a totally different side of town than I was at. And voila, I seen it in the mail, so I thought that was so sweet of her. But anyway, we're gonna open up this package. This is the package. I already unpackaged it, so it won't take so long, guys. So I won't be making all that noise in your ear. So this is what it came in. That's it right there. And then she gave me some oil. She told me what it was, guys. I can't remember what the name of it is, but she gave me this oil. Let's see. Smells good. Smells really good. And see, stuff like this, I can keep it in my purse. You know, rub it right here. You know what I mean, guys? Okay. So that was the first thing that I seen. Okay, so guys, if you know how much I love jewelry and the things like this, you know I'm gonna rock this. It actually kind of matched what I have on. What y'all think? Can I pull it off? I like it. Yeah, she knows me well. I like this, guys. You'll see me wearing it in the videos. Okay, so what else? This is still wrapped up. I feel like a pair of earrings. Let me see. Bling bling, baby. Look at that. That's nice. You know I'm gonna rock that. That's nice. I'm about to take these braids out too. It's time, guys. It's really time. Let me put this back over here because I don't want you seeing all of that. Anyway, guys. Oh, yes ma'am. Okay, so the last little package is this one. I feel like another little necklace. Let's see. Yes. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Yes. Now this one I can wear this one to church. I can wear this one because I wear black and white every Sunday. I can wear this for my black and white. This is really cute. I love all of it. But this right here I can wear to church. This right here I can wear this when I'm out and about. Actually, I can get away with wearing this together. I can get away with that. But yes. And then this came with the earrings. Got the little earrings to go with it. Alright, thank you, Vums. Thank you so much. I love it. You don't see me rocking it with my try-on hauls. You are going to see me rocking it. Thank you. I appreciate it. You know your girl well. Like she said, you feel me? And she say that all the time, guys. You feel me? You gotta love Anyway, guys, I have one more package, and this one is, I got this one. This is Macys. And I got this Black Friday. It came kind of quick because today is the 3rd, so it didn't take long at all, guys. I didn't get that much though, and a lot of this I'm gonna probably give it away for as gifts. But hold on, guys. Let me go ahead and open this up so I won't be so long. Okay, guys, I'm back. When I first opened up the box, they sent me a 50% off of your door to one less errand. Oh, DoorDash, 50% off. Okay. I never really used DoorDash, but maybe we'll see. This one is Shutterfly, and these are just some little content, I guess they put in boxes. Anyway, I'm sorry about the noise, guys. Okay. Alright, so this is my little Macys bag. I really apologize for that noise, guys, because I know sometimes when I'm looking at someone's unboxing, I'm like, I wish you hurry up. And now look at me. I'm just going to cut it, guys, so I won't have to make all that noise in your ear. Okay. Like I said, it's not a lot. Okay. So the first thing I got was Clinique. I've been using Clinique for years, guys. So this came with the moisturizing lotion for your face. And then it has a little lotion for your eyes and lipstick and an eye pencil. So, and I made give this to one of the ladies in my church for Christmas with Aussie. Okay, then the next thing that I got was this is lipstick, Clinique, and mascara. And all of this was on sale, guys. It's on sale. So I might keep this. Because I like this dark lipstick right here. And then the mascara is small, so this I can keep that in. Okay, guys, so the camera had died, but last thing I was telling you is that I was going to keep this. Okay, so we'll move on to the next. Okay. Oh, I got 2 of these. So I'll probably keep one and give one away. Got 2 of these. Huh. Okay. Now, sitting right here, I can see Rocky when he out there playing and everything. Okay. This right here is just some Clarins treatment oil. Moisturize, restore radiance, dehydrated skin. So you see Rocky back there, guys. And it's just this has a lot of moisturizer. So I like to moisturize my face after I get out the shower or out of the bath. This is what I've been doing. And then I got some MAC lipstick. I might keep this, but I don't know. I might give it away as a gift. I'm not sure. And then the last thing was Mike got this. He got this once before a haul from Macys long time ago. He wanted to get this again. He has so many colognes, guys. So he's just gonna add that to his collection. And then it was on sale for Black Friday, so that's another reason why he wanted to go ahead and get it. But yeah, guys, that is going to be all for this unboxing and this unpacking. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, Vom. I appreciate it. I love everything. I feel so blessed. Thank you so much. Anyway, I am going to put all of this up. And guess what? I'll see you tomorrow on another video, Vlogmas video. So, much love and appreciation. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys.
In that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up